ngasale qembu like u10 speed is on 100 kasula siyaphuthe Mxhosa Ligama I've been gone for like 10 years, but now I'm back, they know my name. Since I'm always serious, now they wanna know my age. Vegan a Vegas land, pocket you well, I tell my boss I 12. I was just selling this clothes, dressing this hoes, breaking the bread with my bros. But to sign LA goes, but when I go post, they tell my story, bang and dance. I was inspired in lives, and I said casting, okay, represents the mass. If it just sit in my crowd, who could use the piles. Real niggas don't die, they just mighty plow. Was it telling lies? I was so disappointed when I saw myself nailed with tiles. I was eating so unhelping, yeah, my partner, sick your pies. Now I'm out here for the business, let me advertise. Ngiba maqobo banxiba imidovu local is like as niggas idomu Tsomu kakhulu ngabuza no blow ngibe kwashire na niggas idovu Why so serious? Don't call me bro, you ain't proud of us. Why we got going, I'm proud of us. We got emotion, you'll never miss. Classy shit, jealous through the nights. We ain't low back in summer months. 15 cars broke, well I'm a blast. Build this shit with my own hands, so I don't care if I'm recognized. Better view this shit with your own eyes. We a gambler, man who dies. Opposite energy energize me. Got the best flow cause in cool and jive. Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new by new. Bas pretender, money being new, man, new. Even though they ain't nanga, so this lal is not younger. Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new by new. Bas pretender, money being new, man, new. Even though they ain't nanga, so this lal is not younger.
I fell in love with her much from the day I was born. Back into me girl t-shirt tone. I don't know how my oldest does it. 247 and mashing it walk. Don't ask why I don't need pork. I do it for the cause. I love my badge. Oh man, I love this thing. We show me the way, let me get out his ends. True color show when I see my blow. It's a big bang if I switch that. Hey, apple and one. Who's a nickel bow? I ain't got a poop. From a scale I can say that I'm cool, but it's also be Kabul 7K4. It mess any belly good web. Get history and more fishy flow. English and funny not dead, you know. I always get 80 or more. Miss V, I booze you done this before. I feel like it's deep in my core. Music is deep in my core, so you better know I want to force. Alright, let's get it.
Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new by new. Bas pretender, money being new, man, new. Even though they ain't nanga, so this lal is not younger. Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new by new. Bas pretender, money being new, man, new. Even though they ain't nanga, so this lal is not younger. I just can't relax, I'm dropping this hits that these niggas can't get. I just feel like I'm flaming up a blending speaker, no never slang get. Music is in my blood, they feeling my songs when I'm having a nosebleed. Nigga and okay, check out my DMs, now nigga and phone, you see my gas and I pele times or pele zombie. Music is where my hope is, booze and weed. I had to choose my own thing. The old fashioned industry owe me, they stealing my style, but they telling the story. Born as an artist and gogi, while we got going, I started on Snoggy. Still with the taste, but I'm finding the stogie. With the original, going for the whole thing. Killing this bit, this shit is not a new. The plan is dropping the singles, man, it's new by new. Bas pretender, money being new, man, new. Even though they ain't nanga, so this lal is not younger.